Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be opening up another Funko Pop vinyl figure, this one from Marvel's Ant-Man and the Wasp, number 346, Pym Unmasked. This is the Hot Topic exclusive. Let's take a look at the figure. One a set of 5, but with these we know there's more. There we go. Pop them out. And it's another bobblehead. Let's check it out. So we got the standard we have the standard Funko Dead Eyes. We have standard drawn-on eyebrows. We've got these glasses with glass. We've got the standard pyramid nose, and we have a goatee here. Nice gray coloring, nice detail here. I think having the glasses go through the hair and around the ear. Nice gray hair here. And we've got the miniaturization suit, or that Hank Pym Tech suit of his. Got some sort of cord coming out of here from his backpack into the belt. Nice little details here and there. Standard licensing info at the bottom. See how well he stands. Stands really well. Basically, this is just a standard head swap with the regular figure, it looks like. Not much of a difference. If you have a chance, I'd say stick with the original, because the standard one, the common, because I mean, if you're gonna see them, no one really wants to see them without their helmets. You kind of want the whole effect, the little what do you call it, helmet and everything. No one really cares about them without it. So there you have it. Remember, if you liked the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notifications, hit that bell icon. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.